Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to the second activation, light code activation and energy cleanse out of 4. If you were just joining, I do encourage you to watch the first one because it gives an explanation on what we're actually doing in these light code activations. And I got the visual that these are like stepping stones. So we are, with every activation, leaping, doing a quantum leap to the next stone. And with every quantum leap, with every activation, we are clearing more and more of that old paradigm energy, that mental and emotional buildup. And we are leaping into this new earth, new paradigm energy. And just like the first one, this will be an 8-minute pure energy channeling where I'm channeling these new earth light codes, new paradigm light codes through me into you to activate and clear you in the way that you need on the deepest core cellular level. And all of these activations will be on the light code activation playlist. If you want to listen to them again, or if you miss one, that's where you will find all of them. All right, so let's just allow ourselves to relax. Completely surrender. I will be connecting to you energetically now and begin this channeling, and I will let you know when we are complete in 8 minutes. This channeling is now complete. Take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to feel the integration. I'm going to read, I pulled another card from the Starseed Oracle deck by Rebecca Campbell, and the card that we got for today was Whale and Orca Elders. So a whale or an orca might hold, or even dolphin energy I'm feeling might hold a special message for you if that resonates. And the card says, share your song, frequency of sound, diving deep. And I'm just looking it up in the book now to give the deeper message. And the book states, the whale and orca elders are benevolent cosmic beings, here to anchor a frequency of love onto the planet, to harmonize it with their song. As they weave around the oceans, they do so much more than any of us know. Their physical presence affects Earth's magnetic field, and their harmonics call us to wake up and remember our own soul's song. And this just popped in my head before I go on. If you need more meditation time and integration time, there's a lot of free meditation music and binaural beats that are paired actually with whale sounds. So again, that is a message for somebody, but that would be a good idea. Again, if you're drawn to it and it resonates, for you to bring that into your meditative practice as well. Okay, to continue, looking into the eye of a whale is something you'll never forget. Whales see into your very being, and in an instant you are changed forever. They see beyond the physical, the woundings, the identity, the personality, and the story. They see right into your soul. If you pulled this card, you're being called to surrender to your deepest truth and share it with potency. To bow to who you truly are. To stretch your heart wide enough to hold it all. To leave your fears, doubts, and baggage at the door. To question any part of you that does not feel good enough. The whale and orca elders want you to give others the privilege of seeing who you truly are, and for you to see the same in other beings. To drop your hang-ups, your personality flaws, and get busy revealing the unique note your soul came here to sing. Allow the song that echoes in the 4 chambers of your heart to emanate in all 4 directions. Peel back the layers of suffering and pain to reveal to others your soul's true song, and endeavor to see the soul of all those you meet. And so the Starseed Soul Inquiry is, how are you being called to share your soul's unique song? Just something to hold within your heart and take what resonates with you from that message. So I will leave you here. Extensive healings are below. I will talk with you tomorrow with the 3rd activation, and from my heart to your heart and my soul to your soul, I'm sending you all the love and the light and the gratitude, and with appreciation, I feel your love, light, and gratitude as you send it back to me. So thank you all. I'll talk with you next time.